थिवी मतदारसंघातलो कामुर्ले गांवचो प्रितेश खोर्जुवेकराची भारताचो प्रतिनिधी म्हूण जमशेदपूर जावपी वेट लिफ्टिंग सर्तींत निवड जाल्या। गोंयच्या निवडपी आतां मेरेनचो हो तिसरो तरणाटो। ही सर्त जमशेदपूर 26 ते 30 डिसेंबर मजगतीं जावपाची आसा।
I'll be playing in 74 kg category group, and I feel lucky to be part of this competition, and I'm the third Goan to do so, and first in our constituency to represent India. And I would really like to thank our MLA because he has been very supportive in organizing this kind of competitions in our constituency. I had before participated in All Goa Weightlifting Championship, Powerlifting Championship, that is at state level, university level, that was recently held in August, and some competitions that took place in our constituency in Kamulle or in other constituencies like Shiolim. My performance has been very up to the mark, so that has really helped me to reach at this level. And my coach Dayanand Harmalkar, who stood behind me, trained me very well, so that is the reason why I am here today. And even my family supported me, even my best friends, they are right behind me when I was all down. So I would really like to thank my coach, my friends and my family.
ह्या खातीर थिवीचे आमदार किरण कांदोळकरान तांकां शुभेच्छा भेटयल्यात।
प्रितेश खोर्जुवेकर जो आयज जमशेदपूर हांगसर आपल्या पावर लिफ्टिंगाच्या संदर्भान जो वयता, खास करून आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतलो कामुर्ले भागांतलो थिवी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतलो हांव तांचे अभिनंदनूय करता आनी येणाऱ्या काळान तो बरे तरेन जिखून येवचो, बरें गोंयचें नांव वयर करचें, आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचें नांव वयर करचें अशें म्हणून तांकां शुभेच्छा दिता। तशेंच ह्या भुरग्यांनी भरपूर मेहनत केल्ली आहा, बरी बरी कॉम्पिटिशनां ऑर्गनायज करून वेगळ्या वेगळ्या भागांसून प्रितेशान तशेंच ताच्या वांगड्यांनी आनीक भुरग्यांक ट्रेनिंग करपाचें काम केल्लें आमच्या मतदारसंघान किंवा गोंयभर म्हणत। हांव तांचें खऱ्यांनीच अभिनंदन करता आनी येणाऱ्या काळान जे ते सर्तीन भाग घेवंक वयता थंयसर तांकां हांव बेस्ट ऑफ लक म्हणटा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक, थँक्यू।
आरडेक्स खातीर थिवीच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।